Hello and welcome to today's video. Today I decided to use Evernote. So my first note that I did is College Mentors for Kids. And this basically shows that I have a meeting this week and that I'm meeting new members. And then I also included the agenda of me meeting my buddy family and mingling with other mentors. I also left me a cute little note saying that next week I do get to meet my little buddy, so get excited. And then these are children that are in College Mentors for Kids. And then I decided to also do how to build a classroom garden. So for this one, I started off with a sunflower for motivation, just so I do realize that they are pretty and that it's going to be a great day. And then I moved down, and then I do have my resources such as Purdue Library. And if you click here, it also, I'm going to click continue, sorry. And let me just open this. And then right here it tells you more about plants and the main purpose and that there are different plants. If we can continue down, I also included some key points. And I took this directly from the article, so I did say that I highlighted some important information about sunflowers and how they do face the light, which I didn't know. And then I did have a question on how will children understand the topic, such as could I have a quiz or could I do something else? And then if we continue, I ended it with another sunflower. Thank you very much.